Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we are going to explore how to analyze quiz data or test data using the Question tab under Google Form responses. So if you've made your quiz or your Google Form into a quiz by using the Google Quiz feature, you can analyze those results against the answer key that you've set up. So I'm going to go to the Responses tab at the top of my Google Form. I'm going to click on Question, and this gives me a summary of how those responses went question by question. Notice at the top that I can choose the question that I want immediately. I can just scroll down, find it on here if I want to jump to that question, or I can manually jump to a specific question. So question 1, what is the capital of Indianapolis? And I can see this information just for this question. I can view the answer key. I can mark individual responses correct or incorrect and award points. If I go to the next question, this was a paragraph response worth 5 points. I can then read each response, score it against the 5 points, however that should be done. And I can go through all of my questions and see, question by question, how students did and then what questions caused the most problems, if any. And I get information about the assessment that I just gave my students. What still needs to be learned? What do they already know? What do I need to focus on for the next class? And that's how you can use question by question analysis in Google Forms to analyze quiz data.